Hello class, today we're going to learn how to take a screenshot with our computer and keyboard. A screenshot is just a picture of whatever you save or see on your screen. So to do this, we're going to take a look at our keyboard here first. So your keyboard will look something like this, and you'll notice down here in the bottom right hand and left hand corners, you see a button that says CTRL, and over here on the right hand side CTRL. That's the control button that we're looking for. Now if your keyboard's anything like mine, up here in this top corner you'll have a set of 3 buttons. First says print screen, the second says scroll lock, and the third says pause break. We're worried about that print screen button. On my virtual keyboard that shows up right here, print screen. So to take a screenshot, we're going to hold down the control button, and while holding the control button we're going to hit print screen. And then we release them both at the same time. So again, I hold down the control button, hit print screen, and release them both at the same time. And that takes a screenshot of what's on your screen. Then to send that in an email, we're going to click on Compose. And we're going to send it to your class emails, whatever email your teacher specified. And the subject, we're going to put lesson, the lesson number, and your name. Then you can add a description if you want to help your teacher know what you're sending to them. Then to insert the screenshot, there's one of 2 ways. You can either right click, I apologize, mine's in Spanish, but you can click on paste, or you can use the shortcut key, which is Control V. So we're going to use the shortcut key, hit Control V. Now you see the computer starts to work to insert the image that you copied to your clipboard. And a clipboard is just a fancy word for short-term memory for a computer. And so when we take the screenshot, it goes to the clipboard. We hit Control V, and up comes a picture of our screen. Now we're ready to send it. So go ahead and hit send. And that is how you take a screenshot and send it. We will use this technique from time to time to submit different assignments so the teacher can see what's on your screen. And that is it. Thank you.